Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to calculate variances in percentage. Right? In this spreadsheet I have given some expenses details, right? Like salaries, staff allowance, remuneration, depreciation, staff food, electricity, etc. So those expenses are given for 2021 as well as 2020. Okay, there are two methods to calculate percentage changes, right? The very normal method is you have to calculate variance in amount first. After that only you can calculate variance in percentage. That's very normal method. In that method, what you have to do is you have to calculate variance in amount first. That is equal sign, select the new amount, minus, select the base year, that is previous year, press enter button, you will get the answer, right? Changes in amount, then scroll it down. Okay, then only you can calculate percentage changes, right? For that, press equal sign, select the variance in amount, enter division button, select base year, that is previous year, enter button, press enter button, then you will get percentage changes. That is first method, a normal method. So in the second method you can directly get percentage changes without having variance in amount, right? Without having variance in amount, you can straightforwardly get the percentage changes in second method. That is, select equal sign, select the new year, current year, division mark, enter that, and select the base year, previous year, minus 1. Press enter button. You will get percentage straightforwardly. Right? Both answers are similar. Okay, thank you.